Going on, family? You see, we recording? Yeah, we're recording. What's going on, family? A good trading day. It's only 9:18 Central. Market open up at 8:30, and we're already done for the day. It just don't happen like this all the time, man. Normally it's a struggle, but market a lot of volume in the day. Shit, love good days like this, bro. You know what I'm saying? But boom, I'm gonna start with that Google chart I sent earlier. Boom. Of course, that's the pre-market. Pre-market is the yellow market. The day is the black. So boom. We opened up about here, wicked up. You know what I'm saying? We came back down into our zones. Of course, it's our battle zone right here. We already have our levels, our entry levels. Put one at the 240.08, put another at the 239.87. Boom. I waited till we got out the battle zone. I actually got in here. Big volume. And the reason why I normally wait for a retest, but you got big volume on the market, you got to take advantage. So boom. I placed my trade here. We actually hit every take profit level. We hit the 238.80, the 238.30, and the 237.50. We passed up the 237.50. You wait any longer past here, you just greedy. I ain't gonna hold you. I would, you know what I'm saying? Even, to me, this is profit levels we moving. This is a level here also. You know what I'm saying? But we still had volume past this. You know what I'm saying? So I actually got out about here. You know what I'm saying? Then from that point, it went against us. It's back into consolidation zone. We're gonna be probably wicking between consolidation for the rest of the day unless you see a move here going forward. But nah, good trade today. Big volume, as you can see. Our MACD crossed. You know what I'm saying? It was under. It was over. I'm sorry. Then it crossed over. About right there. Boom. That's about right. Right there at the time. At the bottom of our battle zone. And from that point on, just big volume, big volume, big volume, volume. Volume start fading. That's what the change of color mean. Same thing with our RSI. Boom. You know what I'm saying? You see that? But it hit. I mean, it's the end of that buy zone. Boom. Next candle over. We shooting down. Oh, confirmation. Bottom of battle zone. Confirmation. Bam. You heard me? It all add up. Look. Look. See how that's going down? Look at the candles. Boom. See how it all add up. Compare that to the MACD. Look. The green line crossover. Boom. Big volume. Big volume. Big volume. Done. Uh, Similar situation with our SPY chart. It's a good trading day. You can't pass these up. I might have passed. I think I passed a good trading day up yesterday. But I don't know if y'all do know, but I had surgery, so I had therapy, and I had to get right. You know what I'm saying? But boom, similar situation, but of course it's not. It's similar, but not at the same time because SPY moves different. SPY controls this market. Everything else pretty much reacts off of it. So boom, similar situation. Well, we went up. We got up. The market opened about the 254.14. Shot up a little past our first take profit zone, which I didn't feel the volume. The volume to me is always different. Um, for a call in the put position, it's always different. Um, Normally, when you're in a call position, it takes the stairs up. Normally, in a bull position, I'm sorry, in a put position, it's taking the elevator down. So it moves fast down, goes a little slower up, right? So with that being said and known, I didn't get faked out by this volume candle, which it still would have been accurate. Stop loss is down here at the 653.30, which is way under the VWAP. Still, you know, in my earlier trading days, which you know, but need to hear that. It I would have got hit by this for sure getting in early, so I try to wait as much as I can. So boom, I seen a wick here. Boom, closed out. We opened out, wicked again, shot down to the VWAP, hovered around the VWAP. You could say that hey, it passed the VWAP, yeah, but the candle didn't close yet. You got to give the candle time to close. It's a 5 minute chart, so give that candle time to close. Close here around the VWAP again. Wick past the VWAP. Wick up. To me, this candle tells me that the buyers is losing momentum, right? Close here, opened up, wick down again, but we shot past the VWAP and we shot past the AEMA. So boom, that's confirmation. Something to confirm. MACD space in between that line. Big volume coming in, right? The RSI really didn't confirm it. It actually confirmed it here. It did confirm it here. So, boom, big volume. Space here, going up, right? So, I would say I would have loved to get in. I'm not gonna lie to you. I would have loved to get in with this candle above the VWAP, but because I try to be patient and wait for these candles to close, I didn't. So then I noticed we had some resistance here on this candle. We had some resistance here. So what I did was I said, well, I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna see if this could wick past, and it did wick past our resistance. So my next candle, I actually got in here at our first take profit line. Would have loved to got in here. You know what I'm saying? I would have loved it. But I got in here at our take profit line. That was my buy level at the 654.55. We hit our next take profit at the 655.70. And we hit our next take profit at before I would take profit at the 656.30. But you can see I respect our levels and I do respect our take profit levels. So I actually got out here right before, which normally that's a normal thing for me. 656.30 would have been perfect to hit. That's why I got out earlier at the 656.20. Same thing with Google. I got out here. So a third take profit line. I got out about here at the 637.62. I did not wait for it to hit. Let's see. Our third take profit levels pushing it. So if you see us on the way to it, start looking to get up out of here. I sold partial contracts. I sold 3 contracts here and sold the other 2 here. SPY, I had 3 contracts. I sold 2 here. Sold my runner here. We done for the day. It's 9:27. We out of here. Happy trading, man. Be safe. Protect profit. Let me know what y'all see. And shit. We all in a position where we still learning, bro. We just trying to get right. Holla at me.